After extracting format frequencies from a sound file, we might want to somehow manipulate our data. Vowel chart is a great way to graphically represent it. In this folder, I have put a file called Vowel chart that I prepared in advance. Let's open it in Excel. I can use this file to create a vowel diagram by entering F1 and F2 values for vowels E, E, A, O, and U. I will also open results.xls that I got after running my script. This file actually contains the values I want. First, I will copy the results into the first file, which is vowel chart. I will go to the bottom and right-click on the tab labeled results.xls and then click Move or Copy. I will put the results in the first file we opened, whose name is vowelchart.xlsx, and I will place it at the end. I will check this box to create a copy of our data instead of moving it, and then OK. Now I can close results.xls. Now that we have copied the results to the vowel chart file, I can manipulate the data. First, I'm only interested in the 50% points, so I will delete all the other ones. To make this easier, I will sort the rows by clicking Data, Sort, and I will sort by time. OK. I will select the rows with 0 and 25% values and delete them. Right-click, Delete, and then I will delete 75 and 100% values. I'm only interested in F1 and F2, so I can delete the F3 column. Now I want to take the averages of F1 and F2, but before I do that, I will sort the rows again, but this time by vowels. Data, Sort, and I'll choose Segment Label. OK. So for each vowel, I will ask Excel to calculate the average value of F1 and F2. I will create two new columns, average of F1 in Hertz, and the average of F2 also in Hertz. To find the average of F1 for the vowel A, I will type =, average in caps, open parentheses, and then select all the F1 values for A, and then press the return key. And I will do the same for F2, =, average, open parentheses, and then select all the values I'm interested in. Again, =, average, open parentheses, and then select the values. Return. And then the same for F2, =, average, open parentheses, select the values, and return key. And I will do so for the rest of the vowels. Now, we want to use these average values to create a vowel diagram. So let's go back to the vowel chart. I will click Vowel Chart on the bottom, and now I have to enter the average values of F1 and F2 for each vowel. But instead of typing each value in, I'm going to reference the cells we just calculated. So for E, I will type =, then I go to the bottom of the screen and click on results.xls, and then I click on the cell corresponding to the average value of F1 for E and click Enter. Now we need the value for F2. I click on the cell, =, go to results.xls, select the cell, click on it, Enter key, and here you go. =, results.xls, F1 for E, Enter. Again, =, F2 for E, click, and Enter. And I will do the same for the rest of the vowels. We can see how the diagram starts to build up as we enter the values. So now you have a vowel chart.